Last video we have seen something about the pricing in Amazon Bedrock, and this is one integration and orchestration by AI Stylist. So uh, this is a demo, and we would see that how this Amazon AWS works. So in Amazon Bedrock, you can only interact with some things, but you cannot actually see that in real world how it is used. So this is a real world example that how API is integrated and how uh, a use case is done. So this is an AI stylist. So Amazon Bedrock is the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models. So we just click on this. So here is a scenario that we need to find an outfit in less than 5 minutes with the AI stylist. And in this example, we'll see how we can use Amazon Bedrock capabilities such as foundational models, knowledge bases, and agents to build in generative AI application. So we would just start. So yes, we would create an outfit that is tailored for your needs. So just start now. So here is our concern that I'm your personal stylist. Let's find out the what makes you comfortable and confident. So can you tell me more about what you are looking for? So here is my prompt and here is my concern that I am a consultant traveling to New York next week. What kind of outfit should I wear on my first day in the office? So we would click on generate my look. So what would happen in backend is here is the prompt and here agent would here AI agent would see in product catalog agent, and in model details we would be the reasoning and all. So here is the knowledge basis that we earlier seen, that where the answer would be fetched from. So product catalog would be in private data, fashion trends in public data, and there would be an image that would be generated by stable diffusion, and we would see an image would be generated on that, and we would see on results. So AI stylist has given us two prompts. So one is two outputs, one is business formal and second is business casual. So this is a business formal that looks sophisticated professionalism, the heart of ensemble, and this is business casual. So we need to select anyone, and what do people liked about the business formal jacket, then how this would be fetch would be from the customer reviews in the knowledge basis. An API would be called from the customer reviews. So customers like the quality, color, and the fabric of the jacket, and they mentioned that the lightweight and keeps them warm. And now I'm asking show me specific reviews that talk about the quality of the fabric of the jacket. So we click on next. So here the answer would be fetched from two knowledge bases. It is called RAG that we already seen, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So the answer would be fetched from product catalog and customer reviews. And here is a review that you can see that I wear this jacket every day at work. It's so comfortable, and this fabric is too good for my price. My teammates are always asking where I bought it from. So this is a review that how should I take my decision. Then I'm asking what size should I wear. So AI stylist would answer from my previous purchases that M is like the medium size is the best fit for me, and the business blazer jacket runs true to size. And we just send add to my cart, and in order history in the product catalog. So order history is something that is private, and from that we have added the product to our cart, and the rest of the items is from the business formal. Look at my cart, and yes, so we would also see already. So we would not just wear a jacket, we would be needing everything. So here I have a shirt, shoes, pants, and a tie, and here is the order history that how it selected. I wear shoes 7, pants size, tie is 8. I'm sorry, tie is one size, and the shirt is medium. Uh, the AI stylist would pick it from the product catalog and my order history, and I would just finalize this order. Then the order would be placed in the inventory management agent, and the content the content is generated, and in the product catalog and order history, you just also view the cart already. So here also one thing that is being called is the weather API agent. So since you mentioned that you will be in New York next week, I noticed the weather might be a little chilly and rainy. You may want to consider adding jacket or umbrella to your order. So yes, here you can see that in real time that if I'm traveling next week to New York, then a jacket is being considered by the weather API agent. It is suggested by that it might rain in New York next week, so you should consider adding a jacket so that you do not have to face any difficulties. So this is also you can add to order, and you can remove whatever you like. And we'll just end this demo. And yes, so this is all for this topic. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Next topic would be looking at prompt engineering. And yes, thank you very much. And like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.